Hi, Jennifer. It's great to be here with you today. My name is Refat, and I'm really excited to talk about something that's close to my heart and how to unlock English fluency faster. We are going to explore 10 powerful secrets that can really transform the way people learn English. And I think you will find them both practical and inspiring. So let's dive right in with the first one. Speak, speak, speak. So how can people speak? Can you tell me?
Well, you should speak out loud. So what I would do is, okay, so when you're first learning a new language
Yeah.
and it feels like maybe a coat that's too big for you, and you're not fitting in yet, that's what learning a new language feels like. You don't feel like you're fitting in. But, and there's ways to do that to get the path of fitting in easier is to just take a few simple objects and the actions you perform with those objects and say, so if you want to do one word, or if you are brave enough to tackle a phrase, you can say in your own language, da da da, orange. Or you can do a whole phrase and say, I am cutting an orange. The whole time you're cutting the orange, keep saying it. I am cutting an orange. I am cutting an orange. And then you can add to things like, I am going to the bathroom. So you're going to kind of narrate what you're doing to help you practice learning. That's what the speaking, just bring it in, even if it's one word a day.
Yes. And number two is a lot of people say that you have to immerse yourself in English. How can they do that?
How can you immerse yourself into English by watching programs if you do view any type of social media or television? You can listen to the language you want to learn. Sometimes I like to do that and use the captions um, so I can understand as well as learn. But sometimes just listening is training your brain to hear it because you have to hear it and embrace it first before you could speak it back. So I would suggest to surround yourself with those type of people through social media. They have programs where you can go on and talk to real life people like we're doing now. I'm
Yeah.
a Native American speaker. So I would also like to learn British English, but when my teacher, Refat, has enough time, I will have him teach me languages because he's a great teacher. You have
Yes,
to find a good teacher. I believe in finding a good teacher.
but still I make mistakes, but I'm trying my best to teach people what I know. No one is perfect in this world. And as long as we can communicate better, that matters more, right? And a lot of people don't even
I don't like
realize
to
that.
call them, I don't like to call them mistakes. I like to call it a process of learning because it's more positive. Oh, we're making a mistake. Oh, I'm making a mistake. It's just like, oh, I just say, this is the process of learning.
Yeah, that's right. And we also tell people that learn phrases, not just words, and what they can do to learn phrases.
Yes, so I was trying to learn Bangladeshi and also Greek. So I was watching these people that do these YouTube shorts where they'll bump into each other and they'll speak the language you want to learn. Just say, in your case, if it's English, you'll watch videos where they'll bump into each other. Oh, excuse me, are you okay? And then somebody will drop something and they'll pick it up and be like, oh, may I help you pick it up? And you can watch those videos are fun and they make them funny. So you're
Yeah.
also being entertained. It's a lovely way to learn through entertainment. Things that make you feel good help you to learn.
Yes. And how can people use spaced repetition for vocabulary?
Are you talking about repeating a word?
Yes.
So that's how you and I do when we're learning a new word. We just will say, um, we will just say the word over and over again, like, uh, give me a word. Give me a word right now.
Channel.
Channel,
Yeah.
channel, channel. I will turn the channel. I am going to channel in some good energy right now. Channel, channel. Like just do stuff like that.
Yeah.
Or you can
That's
sing. You can sing. You could be like, channel, 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 channel. You know what I also find fun when you're learning a new language to do? To learn with children, because children bring a lot of joy to learning a new language. They'll bring laughter into it because it's quite funny. Learning a new language is very funny. It's
yeah.
so funny. Yes, because when you try to say a word and you say it all not the way it's supposed to be said, it becomes a funny learning experience. And you won't forget it, and then it helps you learn the word faster, you see?
Yes. Children can learn faster. I can see that. And how can people start thinking in English?
Oh my goodness. I don't know.
You
It
don't-
has to click. It just clicks. I think when you study and your intentions, all of a sudden the under the total complete understanding without thinking just clicks. So it's something that happens at different times for different people. So you really can't. So that's why we have to be patient with ourselves and not compare ourselves to others because our brains are rewiring and they're learning a lot of other things besides another language. So that all has to be incorporated in. We have to consider to be kind and patient with ourselves. A lot of people will give up because they'll lose patience with it or they'll think it's too hard. But that's not the case. It's nothing is too hard. It's just how much time and patience, how much patience do you have for the time it takes for you to learn? We have patience,
Yeah.
and you will get it eventually if you work hard at it. It'll come quicker than you even could have imagined.
Many English learners say that we don't have an English speaking partner to practice our speaking English. So what they can do if they don't have an English speaking partner?
They can find somebody online if they don't have anything. I mean, they have to have some kind of a something that they're getting from to
Yeah.
learn, correct?
Yes.
So the internet is a very big resource for that. You have English teaching channels which are amazing. I love your videos are very good.
And this video will
And
be
they can
uploaded there as well.
okay, and this video will be there as well, so they can view this one. See, I am also doing something that's hard, but not really. It just took time to process everything. I'm a shy person and introverted, but I am learning how to be extroverted a little bit because I love people. I like to help people, whether it's learning English or with their emotions or anything. And we're always learning, so we always have new material to share and to learn because we're always learning and we teach through experience.
Yeah,
The
that's
best the
right.
best teachers teach through experience, not from a textbook.
A lot of people are afraid of making mistakes. What would you tell them?
I don't believe in mistakes. I just believe in the process. Once you admit to making a mistake, well, let's say it this way: if you're stuck on mistakes, then you're trying. After each mistake, you're still trying, correct? But I
Yeah,
would prefer if people didn't think of it as a mistake. That's so negative to me. I want them to think of it as it's the process. It's a process. I'm still learning. What am I supposed to be perfect before I finish studying and learning? No, some people don't have it like that. Some people have to put time into something new, and that's okay. It's okay. And a lot of people need to learn English. I understand for it's expected for their jobs, for them to excel to another level in their journey in life. I understand that. So that's why you must be patient because you're learning for yourself to go somewhere else or to rise up in a job or whatever it is you need to learn English for.
Yes,
Just be
a lot of people can
patient with yourself.
yes, a lot of people can speak English, but when someone speaks, or maybe if a native English speaker speaks, they don't understand. And they say, when we listen, we don't understand. So how can they focus on listening first?
Well, they have to listen without any expectation because they're not listening to learn. They're listening to reprogram, to get their brain used to listening to something. So they have to just listen, play English things around you, and let your subconscious and your brain absorb it. You don't have to do anything at that point except listen.
Yeah.
That's all. It's very simple. There's nothing to happen there except listen and let the inner brain let that get used to hearing it. You're just conditioning it to hear something new. That's all it is.
Yes. Can someone use technology to their advantage?
Well, they would use technology like the internet. They can use typing on the keyboard, typing, getting muscle memory to type English words. They can use a keyboard. Like if they're going to say orange, type out orange, orange, orange. It might be slow at first, but they'll get faster. They'll be orange. That's all. So they can use a keyboard. They can use uh, internet.
Yeah, that's good.
So many avenues through the internet. Yeah,
So
to learn another language. To get
last question is for you today is
okay.
how can they be consistent? I mean, the English learners who are trying to speak English fluently.
Well, consistency depends on their desire to learn. Consistency is going to come with the passion. So
Yeah,
if they are very passionate about it, the consistency is going to happen. Like when we get up in the dawn, when the dawn comes in,
yeah,
and it's getting light out, people get up, they want to eat maybe, so they'll just go and get something to eat. When you have a passion for something and you do it, or a necessity, it is a necessity for people to learn English to get into another place in life. So consistency will come from the passion. If they don't keep consistent, I would question their passion on what they want to learn. Now, if you want to teach somebody how to be consistent, I would probably say um, when you see yourself going into the old routine and maybe avoiding a study or avoiding saying words, quickly turn yourself around and get back into it. Don't keep walking. Cat, learn to catch yourself when you're ignoring your studies. Learn during our sleep. When we're sleeping, play English words, like record them, play them back on a loop while you're sleeping, and your subconscious will get extra work. It's okay, you can do that. We do that with classical music. I do that. I'll play things during the night and then I'll wake up in knowledge and even maybe more knowledge than I had the prior day. So there's many techniques we can use to learn things quicker. If you are an impatient person, speed up the process by utilizing time as you sleep to listen to things. Your subconscious will pick it up and it all meets in the middle. It's all being constructed, this new language inside of you, and you just meet and then you're there. And it's all worth the trip. Trust me, it's all worth the journey. Anything we accomplish for the betterment of anything is worth the journey.
yes,
So keep going. Don't give up.
thanks.
Learn. And if you need help, I can join in on some videos and we can do learning videos together. It's quite fun, actually.
Yes,
Learning can be fun. It doesn't have to be stressful.
yes. And that brings us to the end of our 10 powerful secrets to unlock English fluency faster.